unifying all Filipinos.
Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. Today ay ating alamin on how to get LTO Medical Certificate. Ano nga ba ang Medical Certificate at para saan ito? Ang LTO Medical Certificate ay isang document electronically issued by LTO accredited clinics and practicing physicians para sa mga aspiring driver's license applicants. This also serves as proof na ang DL applicants ay physically and mentally fit to drive a motor vehicle. Watch this video until the end to know more on how to get an LTO Medical Certificate. Ang LTO Medical Certificate is a must para sa lahat ng gustong kumuha ng driver's license sa Pilipinas. Regardless kung anong license classification, it means you will need a medical certificate regardless kung ikaw ay kukuha ng student permit, non-pro, or professional driver's license. Ang medical certificate is also a mandatory requirement para din sa mga gustong magparenew ng kanilang mga lisensya sa bansa. Ano nga ba ang information na included sa LTO Medical Certificate? Dahil ang medical certificate ay intended to prove na ang isang individual has all his or her physical and mental faculties in order, ang Department Order No. 2015-014 mandates na ang medical certificate reflect the following information: ang inyong buong pangalan, complete address, professional tax receipt number, professional regulation commission number ng physician who did the exam. Ang medical certificate ay dapat ma-prove ang following details ng isang licensed applicant. Sila ay mentally and physically fit to drive. Sila ay drug-free. Sila ay hindi colorblind. Sila ay merong good eyesight or needs correction glasses, is able to hear clearly or needs a hearing device. Dapat din mag-reflect ang any form of disabilities tulad ng mga sumusunod: orthopedically impaired, partially blind, speech and hearing impaired, free from highly contagious disease para sa PDL applicants. Bukod dito, ang medical certificate should also reflect ang iba pang existing diseases or medical conditions or disabilities. Ito ay dapat i-declare ng licensed applicant and it includes sickness history involving certain conditions like high blood pressure, stroke, visual disturbances tulad ng glaucoma or catarata, lip problems, dementia, at diabetes. Dumako naman tayo sa list of medical tests para sa LTO license. To obtain an LTO medical certificate, ikaw ay dapat pumasa sa health check that includes a drug test sa clinic, eye test, hearing and speaking check, disabilities, blood test, dementia, at high blood pressure. May good reason kung bakit ang LTO requires checking these things. For instance, ang drug test is the agency's way upang tingnan kung ang applicant uses illegal narcotics as it can affect one's physical and mental health. Sa eye test naman, it ensures na ang DL applicants meets the standard distant binocular visual acuity of not less than 20 by 40 by Snellen or 0.5 dx by 12 sa parehong mata, with or without corrective lenses. Depende sa result ng eye test, ikaw ay maaaring allowed to drive ngunit may following restrictions tulad ng nasa inyong screen. Ang medical test also include checking on other conditions tulad ng ability to hear and speak, your disabilities, and all your other diseases that can affect your capability to drive safely. Ngayon, magkano nga ba ang cost ng medical certificate? A medical certificate usually costs 500 pesos, but it could vary depending on the guidelines ng medical clinics. Ang medical result will be sent by the medical clinic electronically sa LTO's database in a bid to avoid forgery, duplication, and faking of the certificate. Validity. Ang LTO LTO medical certificate na sent by medical clinics electronically sa LTO office ay valid and usable for 60 days from date of its issuance ayon sa Memorandum Circular Number VDM 2024-2525. Maaari mong i-check ang link sa ibaba para sa iba pang info. Where to get the LTO medical certificate? A medical certificate can be secured sa kahit anong LTO accredited or government physician and government clinics or hospitals na usually located malapit sa mga LTO office. Procedures on how to get medical certificate for LTO. Pumunta sa kahit anong LTO accredited clinic, government physician and government clinics or hospital na malapit sa iyo. Ito ay usually within sa vicinity ng LTO office. But if they're not, you can always check ang LTO website para sa list ng accredited clinics at physician nationwide. Settle ang fees. Provide ang inyong personal information by filling out ang forms for patients. Hintayin ang inyong turn to be tested for drug use, visual acuity, hearing at speaking, disabilities, and other diseases. Once done, ang certificate will be issued and sent electronically to LTO via LTMS. Important reminders. You will need an LTO medical certificate kung ikaw ay mag-a-apply for a driver's license, whether as new or for renewal. The most important factor that a medical practitioner will check on you ay ang inyong mga mata. Dahil dito, ang LTO accredited medical clinics will take great care sa pagkuha ng precise eye exam done by giving applicants a series of eye tests. Bago ang medical certificate ay may submit electronically sa LTO via LTMS portal, both examining physician and the licensed applicant must have their biometric finger scans. During the medical examination, you need to make sure that you let the examining physician know ang lahat ng medical conditions na meron ka sa ngayon, especially sa mga conditions that might affect your ability to drive safely. Certain restriction will be imposed depende sa result ng inyong medical exam. Passing fake medical certificates regardless kung ito ay forged, duplicated, or processed from a non-licensed physician ay hindi i-accept sa kahit anong LTO office. You will not be allowed to secure a license or renew a license kung gagamit ka ng fake certificate regardless of classification. Kung ang driver's license ay issued by accident or by mistake, it will be immediately recalled by LTO at proper case shall be filed. In order to get tested, ikaw ay dapat pumunta sa LTO accredited clinics nationwide. Once ikaw ay tapos na sa medical exam, a medical certificate na needed for driver's license application will be sent directly to LTO. Kung ang LTO accredited clinics malapit sa LTO office ay closed or unavailable, maaari kang kumuha ng medical exam from a different accredited medical clinic. We do not provide direct assistance with LTO. This video is created upang magbigay ng impormasyon lamang. Kung ikaw ay may other questions and clarification, please visit ang nearest LTO sa inyong area. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel at i-click ang notification bell upang maging updated ka sa mga bagong uploads at susunod na videos. Thank you for watching!